me. Hey y'all, welcome back to my channel and welcome if you are new. So today I'm going to be showing y'all a popular wig that's been going around with these companies, and it's a wear and go wig. Real easy, no glue. I literally did 100% glueless this time, like none. If y'all want to see how I installed this wig, keep on watching.
Overnight, you out of sight, you magnified. You're only human, yes I know. It's okay to be unsure. I hope you know it's okay if you're not sure.
See, my days are cold without you, but I'm hurting when I'm with you. I know my heart can't take no more. I keep on running back to you. See, my days are cold without you, but I'm hurting while I'm with you.
I need you in the morning, but I need you now. Yeah, yeah. I find why I give you what you need. I know what you like. I feel it coming. Tell me something, yes, that I try to need you, but I need some lessons. I need to give it all. I try to live, but I can't. I don't know why you're the one. Turn me out of my mind. You don't need no other body. You don't need no other body.
Alright, y'all, I'm finally finished doing his hair. When I say it took me all day because it was so hot, like I was drained, I took a nap, I was procrastinating. I've been doing his hair all day. Even though it wasn't much to do, but still, like, I was procrastinating making this video. But I'm here, y'all. I came back. And yeah, we cute. Alright, let me get into the specs of this hair. So this hair is from Coleen Hair, and this is their Glueless Wear and Go 5x5 straight closure wig. And y'all, this wig is not glued on as y'all saw in the video. Yeah. She comes up. Not on my head. This wig is so low maintenance. I really don't have to do anything to it. I think I pulled it too forward. Okay. So this wig comes with an adjustable strap on the inside, 2 combs on the side, and 1 in the back. And this wig is big head friendly. Like, I don't know if y'all can tell, but it's a little bulky right here. Like, it's flat, but it could be flatter. I could go and put a clip in the back to help pull the wig down, but it's not that bad. It's not that noticeable. So yeah, this wig is big head friendly. Yes. Overall, the texture of the hair, soft. I had no problems, no flyaways. The hair on the closure is the same length as the rest of the hair. I hate when I get wigs and the hair on the closure is way shorter than the rest of the hair. Like, why would you give me this? Why would you give anybody this? But yeah, y'all, this is really it. If you guys like this wig, I'm gonna leave the link down below to where you can find it. Yeah. And if you like this video, please like, comment, subscribe, and share with your friends so we can be cute together. Because y'all saw how easy it was to put this wig on. Y'all saw. JK. I do want to add that this wig was not pre-plucked, but the knots are not big and thick and crazy, so it was easy to pluck. And I didn't want to do too much because it is a closure, but I did pluck a tiny bit in the front. I probably over plucked a little bit if you watched the video, and you saw like a little circle right there. But I fixed that. Yeah. So yeah, I'll see y'all in my next video. Bye, y'all.